Imagine a future where bald patches are no longer an inevitable part of aging or genetics. A future where a single new drug, PP405, might turn the tide against hair loss for good. Hair thinning isn't just a vanity issue. It strikes at the heart of how many people feel about themselves, often causing a significant drop in confidence and self-worth. For decades, various treatments, ranging from specialized shampoos to an array of scalp serums, have aimed to address this problem. Yet most only offer a temporary solution, rarely addressing the fundamental cause behind thinning hair. But here's where the story gets intriguing. A recent clinical study, one that's creating a real buzz in dermatology, has thrown a spotlight on PP405, a topical medication developed by Pelage Pharmaceuticals. Researchers discovered that PP405 can actually reactivate hair follicle stem cells that have gone dormant, thereby spurring the regrowth of natural hair. In a Phase 2A trial, participants who applied the drug daily to their scalps over an 8-week period experienced impressive results, with over 20% increases in hair density for some individuals. What sets PP405 apart is its mechanism of action. While traditional treatments like minoxidil or finasteride generally work by slowing down further loss, PP405 goes straight for the source, awakening inactive follicles and jump-starting hair growth from within. And here's the part most people don't realize. Unlike oral medications that may cause numerous side effects by circulating throughout your body, PP405 is applied right on the scalp and acts locally, minimizing the risk of widespread adverse effects. For anyone frustrated by thinning hair or patchy baldness, this could be the genuine, science-backed answer they've been searching for. Let's dig into how PP405 actually works and why it's generating such hope. Over the years, various factors, age, stress, fluctuating hormones, environmental toxins, can cause hair follicle stem cells to switch off. When they do, hair follicles shrink, become inactive, and stop producing new hairs, resulting in that dreaded scalp shine. PP405 is designed as a topical solution to revive these snoozing stem cells right at the root of the problem. By reactivating their natural function, hair growth resumes, not just superficially or cosmetically, but by returning follicles to a healthy life cycle. This approach is fundamentally different from past treatments that only focus on slowing down loss or simply boosting scalp blood flow. Here's the twist. PP405 works by increasing the availability of lactate, an energy source crucial for awakening dormant cells within the scalp. This energy surge gives the hair follicle stem cells enough fuel to return to their natural hair manufacturing mode. The outcome? In clinical settings, participants experienced regrowth not only where hair was thinning, but, astonishingly, even in completely bald areas. That's a game changer. Most hair treatments provide only a temporary thickening effect, much like camouflaging a crack in a wall without fixing what's underneath. PP405 stands out because it helps maintain active follicles and promotes ongoing, long-term hair regrowth, not just an illusion of fullness. So, what do the clinical trials say? In the pivotal Phase 2A study involving 78 people, each applied PP405 daily for 8 weeks. Over 30% achieved a striking 20% increase in hair density. Nearly all noticed richer texture, more scalp coverage, and fuller, healthier-looking hair. Side effects? Barely there, as PP405 does not significantly enter the bloodstream. Encouraged by these results, researchers are moving forward. Plans for larger, longer-term Phase 3 trials are already set for 2026. Should those results hold, PP405 might become the first real solution targeted at reviving dormant follicles, potentially leaving past stopgap measures behind. But this raises a fiery debate. Can one drug truly shift the landscape of hair loss treatment? While current options mainly slow down the inevitable, PP405 seems poised to press the reset button on hair growth itself. It's easy to apply, topical nature lessens worries about systemic side effects and could make long-term daily use as simple as adding another step to your morning routine. Looking ahead, if ongoing trials prove successful, PP405 could completely shake up how hair loss is treated across the globe. No more relying on risky surgeries or spending small fortunes on treatments that only give fleeting hope. Imagine the relief for those who have struggled, sometimes for years, with empty promises or disappointing outcomes. PP405's potential to reawaken dormant follicles could be the breakthrough millions have been waiting for. Still, there's a catch. When will it be available? With the lengthy and complex process of clinical trials and regulatory approval, the wait may stretch from 5 to even 7 years before you'll see PP405 at your pharmacy. Until then, the beauty and medical communities are watching every development closely. So here's our question for you. Do you believe a topical drug like PP405 could truly outshine existing treatments? Or is this just another overhyped breakthrough? Have you tried other hair loss remedies that worked or failed for you? Don't hold back. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences below. Bold claims like these spark debate for a reason, and we want to hear your voice. Is long-lasting natural hair regrowth finally within our reach, or is there more to the story that's yet to be uncovered?